Hello, my name is Mike Ennis with BMD, and today I'd like to talk with you about one of the fine products that we distribute, Screeneze. Screeneze is a fixed screen self-tightening system used in the application of screen porches. The framing sticks are actually made up of two parts, the aluminum base and then the PVC cap piece, which self-tightens your screen. The sticks come in 8 and 12 foot lengths, and they're available in the 4 colors that you see here. Colors are bronze, white, sand, and clay. They all come with matching color screws and are packaged in 5-piece tubes. The two applications that you can use are, first, the one you see here, which we call the corner mount, or by just reversing the capping piece, you use the same stick to be able to do the flush mount. Now with either one, corner mount or flush mount, you can miter your corners, or if you prefer to do straight cuts, we have these accessory pieces we call corner plinths available in all 4 colors. That'll give you a nice finished look in the corners if you'd like to do a straight cut. Several things that the installers really like about this system versus others is, one, there's no spline or staples to mess with, so that really cuts down on your labor time. Also, because the way this system is designed, you can apply from the inside of your opening, midway, or the outside. If you wanted to go on the inside mount, that would eliminate any need for scaffolding. Also, because it's self-tightening, there's no stretching required. And if you have a damaged piece of screen wire, it's very easy just to take the 4 capping pieces off, put your new screen wire up, tap your capping pieces back on, trim the excess, and you're done. And this will work with several different types of screen wire. I think one of the main things the consumer likes about this product is the fact that you can do a lot bigger openings that will still keep your screen wire tight than you can with other systems. So if you'd like larger panels to where you have a better view from your screen porch, don't have as many studs interrupting the view, you have less costly materials, this can do that for you. Actually, the Screeneze system can do a panel up to 150 square feet. Plus it has a 10-year warranty, which is much higher than most of the other systems. And with the color choice, the different designs that you can do, it just makes it a real flexible package that somebody could use. Here's a couple of pictures right here, just giving you an idea of some of the applications you can do. And if you'll notice the picture on your right, we have a flat bar piece that we use to allow you to be able to do semicircles, arches, and curves. So it's not just restricted to square panels or rectangle. I would encourage all of you to go to the website, Screeneze.com. There you can see several different videos on installation. You can see a large photo gallery of all kind of different applications you can do. But I think this is a system that anyone would be happy with, and I think your customer, the contractor, will find that this is a system that they enjoy working with. Thank you very much.